This is it. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is finally here, and what a great timing because Apple just released the iPhone 16 series, so this seems like the perfect Samsung response. So what you're looking at right now is the first real look at the S25 Ultra, the very first real look, and right off the bat you can see how slim those bezels look. Like, this is going to be the slimmest bezels we have ever seen on a smartphone. Like, this is probably going to be the most slimmest bezels we have seen on a phone. Not just that, you can also notice the new rounded look, which is not that rounded. It's still like a combination of rounded square look, but it's definitely going to be a lot more comfortable to hold compared to the S24 Ultra. And once again, we have the most amount of camera sensors on a back when it comes to flagship phones are concerned, because we get the main, wide, as well as two zoom sensors. Now, the original leak from OnLeaks showed off the camera sensors with a design similar to the Fold 6, but turns out, according to Ice Universe, this is how the camera sensors will look. Now, despite having the S Pen, Samsung has actually done the absolute unthinkable, which is just completely mind-blowing. Galaxy S25 Ultra will be the thinnest flagship phone coming in 2025, coming at just 219 grams, beating the iPhone 16 Pro Max again, while having a freaking S Pen inside the body. This is a pretty noticeable reduction of weight when you compare it to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which was at about 232 grams. Not just that, it's coming at 8.2mm thinness, which also makes it the thinnest Ultra/Pro Max device on the market. I mean, now I can see Samsung's reason of hiring that guy from Mercedes. Like, this is truly a peak Ultra Samsung design in the making. Also, just like the iPhone 16 Pro Max, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be Samsung's first flagship phone to have a proper high-resolution ultra-wide-angle camera. So this is a 50 megapixel ISOCELL JN3 sensor with a sensor size of 1:2.52 with f1.9 aperture and 1:2.52 inch sensor size. It's definitely a solid upgrade compared to the last generation. Now, other than this, all the other camera sensors will remain the same, although there will be a new camera ISP to improve this 200 megapixel sensor even better than last year. Now, furthermore, according to Ice Universe, Galaxy S25 series will very likely be the first flagship phones from Samsung to have fully ready satellite connectivity on the launch. With this, you'll be able to send emergency messages when needed despite having no connectivity thanks to the satellite usage. And last but not the least, it seems like Samsung's Exynos team has failed once again, but no worries, it's a good news because according to sources, we're going to have Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 across all models of the S25 series in all markets. So there we go, Galaxy S25 Ultra is indeed for real bringing some record-breaking upgrades that are even surpassing what Apple has just done. 2025 is looking to be a solid upgrade year for Samsung Ultra users. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.